Vigabatrin, also known as Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet, is used to treat babies between 1 month and 2 years old who have infantile spasms. It can also be used with other medications to treat seizure disorders, epilepsy, in both adults and children. Vigabatrin works as an anticonvulsant by decreasing the number of seizures in people who have not been able to control their seizures with other treatments. It does this by stopping the breakdown of a natural calming substance, GABA, in the brain. The recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication should be determined by a healthcare professional. Before taking Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet, be sure to read the medication guide and instructions for use sheet provided by your pharmacist. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist. When mixing the contents of the packet with water, be sure to follow the instructions for use sheet and use the supplied oral syringe to measure the dose. It's important not to use a household spoon as you may not get the correct dose. Use the dose right after mixing and do not mix in advance or store for future use. Any unused medication should be discarded. Take this medication by mouth with or without food as directed by your doctor, usually twice a day. The dosage of Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. For children, the dosage is also based on their weight. Your doctor may start you on a low dose and gradually increase it to lower the chance of side effects such as drowsiness and confusion. It's important to take the medication regularly to get the most benefit from it and to take it at the same times each day to help you remember. Do not increase your dose or take this medication more often than prescribed. It's important to follow your doctor's directions carefully and not to stop taking this medication without consulting your doctor, as your condition may become worse if the drug is suddenly stopped. For infantile spasms, be sure to tell the doctor if your infant's spasms worsen or have not improved within 2 to 4 weeks. For seizures, inform your doctor if your seizures worsen or have not improved within 3 months. During the first few days of taking Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet, you may experience drowsiness, dizziness, difficulty concentrating, nausea, vomiting, stomach upset, diarrhea, headache, weight gain, and tiredness. Children may become restless or excited. If any of these effects persist or worsen, inform your doctor promptly. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because the benefit outweighs the risk of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, you should contact your doctor immediately if you experience shakiness, tremor, swelling ankles/feet, tingling/numbness, shortness of breath, fast heartbeat, or any unusual changes in mood, thoughts, or behavior. A small number of people who take anticonvulsants may experience depression, suicidal thoughts/attempts, or other mental/mood problems. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed above. And remember, always follow your doctor's instructions and guidance when taking this medication. Vision problems can occur while taking Sabril and may be permanent even after you stop taking it. To prevent vision problems from getting worse, your doctor must find any eye problems as early as possible. It is crucial to have an eye exam before or within 4 weeks of starting this medication, and then every 3 months while taking it. You should also have an eye exam 3 to 6 months after stopping this medication. Make sure to follow your doctor's directions carefully and keep all medical appointments. Tell your doctor right away if you notice any changes in your vision. In the United States, you must understand, agree to, and carefully follow the requirements of the Vigabatrin REMS program to receive this medication. If you live in Canada or any other country, consult your doctor and pharmacist for your country's regulations. Before taking Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's crucial to discuss this with your healthcare provider. It's also important to discuss your medical history, particularly any history of eye problems, mental/mood problems, kidney disease, or low red blood cell count, as these could impact the use of this medication. Sabril may cause dizziness, drowsiness, or vision problems. It's important to avoid alcohol or marijuana, as these substances can increase these effects. It's also important to avoid activities that require alertness or clear vision until you can do them safely. If you have an infant who will be undergoing an MRI test, it's important to inform the testing personnel that your infant is using this medication, as MRI tests of the brain in infants have shown changes after they are given Vigabatrin. It is not known if these changes are harmful, so it's crucial to consult your doctor for more details. Before undergoing surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are an older adult, you may be at greater risk for side effects such as confusion while using this drug, which can increase the risk of falling. It's important to inform your doctor if you are pregnant or plan to become pregnant, as you should not become pregnant while using Vigabatrin, as it may harm an unborn baby. It's important to ask about reliable forms of birth control while using this medication, and if you become pregnant, you should talk to your doctor right away about the risks and benefits of this medication. Finally, this medication passes into breast milk in small amounts, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while using Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet. When taking Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. Certain medications may change how Sabril works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to inform your doctor and pharmacist of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products. This will help them determine if there are any potential interactions with Sabril. Some products that may interact with Sabril include drugs that can harm the eye, such as chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, and phenothiazines including thioridazine. Additionally, orlistat may also interact with Sabril. It's important to also inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking other products that cause drowsiness, such as alcohol, marijuana, antihistamines, drugs for sleep or anxiety, muscle relaxants, and opioid pain relievers. Furthermore, be sure to check the labels on all your medicines, including allergy or cough and cold products, as they may contain ingredients that cause drowsiness. If you have any concerns, consult your pharmacist about using these products safely while taking Sabril. It's also important to note that Sabril may interfere with certain lab tests, such as liver function tests, potentially causing false results. Be sure to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are taking Sabril to ensure accurate test results. If someone has taken too much Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include slow or shallow breathing and loss of consciousness. It's important not to share Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet with others. While taking this medication, it's recommended to undergo lab and/or medical tests, such as eye exams, kidney function, and complete blood count. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time of your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the usual time. Do not take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When storing Sabril 500 mg oral powder packet, it is important to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Make sure not to open the packets until it is time to prepare the dose and do not store it in the bathroom. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. It is important to not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. It is recommended to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper disposal of this product. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.